Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is Greg. I'm going to go over near protocol today. If you just landed here, do me a huge favor. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, providing the content for free to help people and prevent people from getting wrecked and make gains. Okay? That is the purpose of this channel and the only purpose. This channel will not be shilling anything like they did this whole last bull cycle to Celsius and the other Voyager now, and look at what's happening to them. They're all seem to be going down. I don't think Celsius is, neither is Voyager, but just show you an example, you know, these same guys showing that stuff. It's just, I don't know, man. I just don't really like it when it comes to stuff like cryptocurrencies. It's such a volatile market. That's just my own personal belief. You may have something different. This channel is going to focus on the followers making gains, make you guys rich, not increase my riches, because if I make you rich, by default, I'll be rich. All right, guys. So here we're going over near protocol, and it's in a 1-2 setup. Here's the wave right here, just to show you. I'll make that wave coming down for a second wave correction. And the thing is, did it complete its correction? That's what we're going to investigate today and take a look at real quick to see if everything adds up. So this is an expanded flat. I went through that count. It makes sense. So let's go. It's an extended fifth wave. So I was looking at this RSI. There's some questionable stuff about near protocol. Okay, guys. So one, here's the third wave. I'm going to remove all this, clean this up for you guys. Okay. Here's the third wave right there. You got divergence there. And then you have this next wave, and it didn't make divergence. So that's questionable, guys. I don't like that. I think has something to do with the fifth wave extension. It's down there, okay. It took out everything over there on the 3-day. Looks okay. You know, it could be lower. It'd be nice if it was lower. It looks okay right there. It would be a lot nice. It would be a lot better if it was lower on these RSIs, guys, in my opinion, for near protocol. Take a look at the weekly. You know, not much data there on the weekly, but, you know, with just the limited data, it looks okay. But it should be down lower, in my opinion. So let's see. Maybe it might be a bullish coin. Let's go back out to the daily and take a look at the other stats we have going on. So we have a couple negatives. So here's the end of its wave, and it's a 3, 3, a 3, and a 3, and then down for a 5, which is an expanded flat, which is one of these. It looks really good. Here's an expanded flat, just like that. And take it off. Looks like a beautiful expanded flat, so that's good. Let's check the Fibonacci area extension on that move, and it went beyond 1.618, which is good. Almost hit 2.0, really good, nice and deep. Let's check the retracement on that leg. So we're going to go with the retracement of its whole leg right there, and almost hit 0.786. So nice and deep on logarithmic. Let's check it off log, see how it looks. Beyond 90%, it looks pretty good. Some other people are probably going to say that the correction is in by going by that method. I would be careful with cryptocurrencies doing that. It could be, don't know. We're going to investigate it today and find out. Okay, so everything looks good so far, and it could be getting ready to go into a 3 of 3. As long as Bitcoin and Ethereum are bullish, other markets are bullish. I'll let you know. I've been investigating some stuff. Haven't been putting it on the YouTube lately, but it looks like, you know, some good stuff is coming along as far as, you know, the oil and the DXY charts and stuff like that. I'll update that later for you guys, for those that are interested in the other boring charts nobody wants to know about. But that's important for this market. You want the markets to go bullish. So Bitcoin and Ethereum go bullish, and in turn, this goes bullish. And when this goes bullish, it is going to rock and roll, and it's going to pop. It's going to blast off there. I got a target of 292. It hit my target, $2.80, $2.90. Next target I got for that is going to be $30 and potentially up to about 79 bucks. And then maybe even beyond that. Just don't know yet. I got lower end targets for you guys. All right. So now we're going to investigate what's going on here. Everything else looks good with that. I have the sequences down. It works out. It's a fifth wave extension. like I said, guys, not having that divergence down there is questionable. So you want to keep that in the back of your mind. So let's go in and take a look at the correction right now. See what we got. See what we have right here. Okay, here it is. Came down there on this wave. So you can see this fifth wave. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, like so. Okay, so it looks okay. Now let's investigate this move. Okay, it's impulsive. Pretty high on the RSI there. Pretty high on the RSI right now on the 2-hour chart. Let's take a look at the fib, see what it does with the fib. Okay, that's a 1. It's not even 1-to-1, so that's dangerous for this, because it could be this, guys. A 1-to-1 is an ABC. Okay, so it's not done yet. So you can't say this is an area for the coin. It needs to prove itself. So before you start jumping into coins or anything like that, guys, not financial advice, these coins need to prove it. So right now, this is definitely suspect, especially with the divergence I saw down there below. You can clearly see this is an impulse and then this is an impulse. So let's see if we can break this down and see if it's going to extend any farther. Because what does it need to get up to? I'll show you what this needs to get up to. Let's check the retracement on this first leg. Make sure it's deep enough. Yeah, it hit 50% for a second wave, so it can be a second wave, so it's good. This is the area you're going to want to see this to go to. Make sure it's bullish on this wave. Is up here at $4.80 is the area right here. You want to see it in that area, guys, right there, 480.89 more or less. Okay, so can it make that? 1, 2, this is 3. Let's take a closer look at that. Closer look at that. So you got 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this right here, this is probably another one right behind it. We need to make sure this is an ABC. We need to make sure that's an ABC move. So right behind this, you might have another one, possibly. So some volatility is going to be coming up more than likely. That's probably not going to be enough to get that up there, guys. So it's looking more like an ABC move. So this is going to have to prove it to you. You can see right here, ABC. This is an ABC move. Check the RSI on that move. Yeah, you can see it's ABC move right here, guys. See that? ABC. And it went deep enough for that to be a move. So yeah, it's got some proving to do, guys, to get up there, to make this impulsive. You know, if it stops right in this area, then you're going to know this is good. More than likely, this could be an ABC. You can't rule out that move, a corrective move up for near protocol to swing back down. So we'll be careful with it right now, guys. Just my opinion. Like I said, not financial advice. It it looks good. People thinking, oh wow, but it hit everything. Looks okay. You just want to keep your eye on it. Remember, you don't need to FOMO because near protocol will make a correction. Well, right here, like this area could do something like that. You just don't know, but somewhere along the line, it's gonna. Let's say it does a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something along this lines or something like that. Let's say this is going to be the 1. That's too much. That's too much for right now. Let's say that's the 1. Well, this 2 could come down like that if it makes a 1. That's what you want to do. You want to get in over here, okay, rather than doing it right here, which is more risk, or it could swing back down like that. So you can get it right here, and then if you want to protect your stuff right there, then you can do it right there. That would be your line. Get in there. That would be your line to tell you to get out, that it went bearish. Okay, so that's what we want to see. We want to see this go all the way up, near protocol go up, and then come down and not breach that area for that second wave correction. So near protocol has some proving to do. I'm not going to say that the correction, it's done with its corrections, hit all the levels, the Fibonacci levels, it looks good. There's some questions on it in RSI and then this move and stuff. So I would be on the cautious side and on the lookout for something like near protocol, guys. All right, just my take on it. But if things do work out, expect it to go from here to $30 once the cryptocurrency markets go bullish. And something like that is massive gains. So let's say you make it 10x, and then you're in right there, and you have a stop loss, on this area. Let's say, for example, of 230 is what you want to do, something like that. Your risk is 16%. You can lower up your stop loss for a potential 10x. Okay, a lot of these other coins I'm looking at, waiting for near protocol and some other coins, they still have some proving to do. There's still some questionable stuff going on with them, guys. So there's some that look pretty good and some that aren't looking so great right now. Just have to have a little bit more patience. If you made it all the way to the end, I do appreciate it. New subscribers, I appreciate you too. Those liking and commenting. And if you haven't, smash a like, smash the subscribe. Peace.